Hi children, in the last video class I have given one assignment to you. Have you written the answers of those are all bits and question answers? Okay, in this video I will give you the answers of those question answers and bits. You check the correct answers. After that, which are wrong bits, wrong question answers, you write five times in our running notes. Okay, children? Now, the answer the following questions. What is the meaning of solar system? The answer of that question is the celestial bodies consisting of the sun, its planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids, and dust particles form the solar system. Next question. What is the universe? Thousands of galaxies together form universe. That is the answer of the second question. Third question is, why do we see only one side of the moon always? We can see only one side of the moon always. The reason is the moon revolves around the earth in 27 days. The first reason is the moon revolves around the earth in 27 days and it spins on its axis exactly in 27 days. Moon is the satellite of our earth. Because of these two reasons, we can see only one side of the moon always. Next, the planet is known as Earth twin, Venus. Venus and both are very similar one to another. That's why we call Venus planet as a twin planet of the Earth. So Venus is the answer of the fourth bit. The Earth is dash is the third nearest planet to Sun. What is the third nearest planet? The Earth. The first one Mercury, second one Venus, third one Earth, fourth one Mars, fifth one Jupiter. Like that in the distance from the Sun. Dash name is given to the full moon day. One day, every month you will see the full moon day in one day. What is the name of that day? Purnima. Okay. Which day you did not see the moon? That is Amavasya. In Amavasya. So how many Amavasyas comes in our every month? Only one Amavasya and one Purnima comes in every month. Next. Dash star indicates the north direction. Pole star. Pole star. Saptarushi Mandal, 7 stars arranging one pattern in the sky. The last 2 stars pointing one star. That star is called the pole star. The ancient people were using this pole star very frequent. They don't know what is the directions. With the help of the pole star, they determine the directions. Next question, 8th one is, meteoroids are made up of rocks. Meteoroids are made up of rocks. Next, 9th one, asteroids are found between the orbits of Jupiter and Mars. Mars and Jupiter. We change here these two answers. First Mars, next Jupiter. Why? In the size, Mars, the distance from the Sun, Mars comes first, next Jupiter will come. So between these two planets, asteroids are found. Okay. Next, dash is the model of the Earth. Globe. Globe. Geode is the model of the Earth. Dash divides the earth into eastern and western hemisphere. Hemisphere means half part of the earth is called hemisphere. Total earth is divided into two parts by two lines. What are those two lines? Equator and Greenwich meridian. 0 degrees latitude and 0 degrees longitude. These two lines divides our earth into equal two halves. Here eastern and western hemisphere. That's why the answer of this bit is Greenwich meridian. The two ends of the axis are called poles. The ending points of the axis are called poles. How many poles are there? Two poles are there, North Pole and South Pole. North side, northern hemisphere ending point is called North Pole, and southern hemisphere ending point is called the South Pole. The value of prime meridian is, what is the value of prime meridian is 0 degrees. The value of prime meridian is 0 degrees. What are the important meridians? Meridians, longitudes, both are same. Okay. 0 degrees meridian is called Greenwich meridian or prime meridian, and 180 degrees east and west meridian, that there the day and nights changed there. Next, our Indian meridian is 82.5 degrees east meridian. These are the important meridians of ours. Like that, latitudes, 0 degrees latitude is called equator, 23.5 degrees north latitude is called Tropic of Cancer, 66.5 degrees north Arctic Circle, 90 degrees North Pole. Like that, down 23.5 degrees south Tropic of Capricorn, 66.5 degrees south Antarctic Circle, 90 degrees south South Pole. These are the important latitudes and longitudes for us. Next, the earth takes dash time to rotating from 1 degree to next longitude. Here, earth takes only 4 minutes time. Here, wrong answer is given, amma. Check yours. Only 4 minutes time. The earth takes 4 minutes time, the rotating from 1 degree longitude to next longitude. Okay, here the total rotation time is given, children. Observe this carefully. Change the answer. The answer of this bit is 4 minutes. Next, GMT means Greenwich Mean Time. GMT means Greenwich Mean Time. Next, Arctic Circle is located in the dash hemisphere. Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. Next, what are the 3 heat zones of the earth? The total world is divided into 3 heat zones based on the receiving the sun rays. Torrid zone, temperate zone, frigid zone. Torrid zone receives lot of heat from the sun. Here the climate is too hot. It located between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Between these two tropics, the torrid zone located. Next one, temperate zone. Temperate zone has the mild climate. Here the climate is too nice. All the crops grow very well. All the people like to live in this temperate zone. Okay, temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and the Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. Next one is frigid zone. Frigid zone lies between the Arctic Circle to North Pole in the northern hemisphere, Antarctic Circle and South Pole in the southern hemisphere. So these are the 3 heat zones of the earth. The total number of longitudes are 360. The total number of longitudes are 360. Total number of latitudes are 181. Northern hemisphere 90 and southern hemisphere 90 plus equator 0 degrees latitude. Here east and 180 degrees east and west longitude is also there. You consider that is only one longitude. That's why you have 360 longitudes. The prime meridian is also known as Greenwich meridian. Prime meridian 0 degrees meridian is also known as Greenwich meridian. The motion of the earth on its axis in about 24 hours is called rotation. Earth has 2 motions, I explained. Earth rounds itself, at the same time it revolves around the sun. What is that motion? Revolution. It takes 24 hours, one day, that takes 1 year. Okay, now due to rotation, day and night occurs. Due to revolution, seasons formed on this earth. When do the longest day and the shortest night occurs in the northern hemisphere? June 21st. In the June 21st, the sun rays fall vertically on the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degrees northern latitude. That's why that day the northern hemisphere full, the longest day and the shortest night occurs. In which season Christmas celebrated in Australia? Summer season. In summer season, kangaroos celebrated the Christmas. Why? The reason is at that time the sun rays fall vertically on the Australian country. Days and nights occurs on the earth due to dash motion of the earth, rotation. When do equinox occurs on the earth? Equinox occurs on the earth March 21st and September 23. Between these two dates are called equinox. Next, a leap year has 366 days. Every year generally we have 365 days. The exact time of the revolution of the earth is 365.6 hours. You add 6666. 4 years later, one leap year will come. So the answer of this bit is 366 days. Okay children, have you corrected your paper? Okay. How many wrongs will come in that? You write those wrong bit and answer 5 times. Okay, bye.